Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick video for you how to add a new thread in bead crochet with my special guest. I think you may have three reasons to want to add a new thread. The first reason is simple. Your thread breaks and you have no other option than to add a new thread. I really hate it. The second reason is that you skipped a bead or two when you thread your beads and somehow you need to get them there. So you cut the thread missing bead and continue to crochet. And the third reason is when you're working on a long big project, for example a thick necklace or some purse or something like this, and you don't want to thread all the beads at one time. You simply thread just one part of the pattern, crochet it, cut the thread another part and continue to crochet. So let's say that my thread broke. I have this tail and I need to connect it somehow to my bead crochet rope. So I take my bead crochet rope, take this tail, wrap around my finger, and I simply pull a loop of a new thread into the last loop of my old thread. Now I have a loose loop of the new thread and two thread tails. I need to tighten the loop and I hold both tails in place. I slide some beads down and continue to crochet again as if the new thread were the old one. So put the hook to the loop, slide a bead down, yarn over, pull through one loop, yarn over again and pull through both loops. And again the same. Hook to the loop, slide a bead down, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again and pull through both loops. After we crochet a piece long enough, we need to get rid of the tails. Or you can do it when the whole bead crochet necklace is finished. It's up to you, but I like to do it in process. We need the tails to be invisible, so we don't want to run the needle through any of the beads, just the thread, the fibers. My necklace will be thick and I want to support its shape with the plastic holes when it's finished, so I need the channel inside to be open. Well, it's important to keep the thread tails within the thread wall, not through the open channel, so I can run the support through the open channel. So I take one tail, thread the needle, and work the thread through the fibers, at least in two different directions. And then cut it near the beads and do exactly the same with the other tail. And stretch the rope a little bit so the tails can disappear completely. So what do you say? I think it's very simple. And let me know in the comments below if it helps you. And what do you hate the most when you bead crochet except when your thread breaks? If you want to support me, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you don't miss any new video. Happy beading and see you next time. Bye!